Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're cruising down the road, music's on, everything's great, and then bam, a little light pops up on your dashboard. Your heart sinks a little. Is it serious? Is my car about to explode? Relax. It probably isn't. But what does that light actually mean? Today, we're diving deep into two of the most common and often confused dashboard warnings. The check engine light and the emissions warning light. They might look similar, and sometimes they're even the same light, but they point to different kinds of problems. Let's get these codes cracked. First up, the undisputed king of dashboard anxiety. The check engine light. This little guy, usually shaped like an engine block and often yellow or amber, is your car's way of saying, "Hey, something's up with my engine or a related system." It's a general purpose warning. Think of it like your car's doctor saying, "You're not feeling well, but we need to run some tests to find out why." The problem could be something super simple, like a loose gas cap. Seriously, that's a common one. When the cap is loose, fuel vapors escape. The car's evaporative emission system detects a leak and triggers the light. So, first thing to do, check your gas cap. Tighten it until it clicks. Drive for a bit and see if the light turns off. But it can also signal more complex issues. A failing oxygen sensor is another frequent cause. This sensor measures the amount of unburned oxygen in your exhaust and helps your car's computer adjust the fuel mixture for optimal efficiency. If it goes bad, you'll likely see a drop in your gas mileage and, you guessed it, the check engine light will come on. Other culprits could be a faulty catalytic converter, bad spark plugs or wires, or even a problem with your mass airflow sensor. The key takeaway is that the check engine light covers a broad range of potential issues, from minor to major, all related to your car's performance and health. Now, let's talk about its close cousin, the emissions warning light. On many modern cars, this isn't a separate light at all. Often, the standard check engine light doubles as the emissions warning indicator. However, some vehicles, especially those sold in regions with strict emission standards like Europe or California, might have a dedicated light. It could look like a puff of smoke or have the word emissions on it. When this specific light comes on, or when the check engine light is confirmed to be emitted, your car is telling you one thing very clearly. I am polluting more than I should be. The problem is directly tied to the systems that control your car's exhaust and environmental impact. So, what causes an emissions warning? A lot of the same things that trigger a general check engine light. A bad oxygen sensor is a prime example because it directly affects the fuel-to-air ratio, leading to dirty exhaust. A failing catalytic converter is another big one. The catch is like a super hot filter that converts harmful gases like carbon monoxide into less harmful ones. If it's clogged or broken, those nasty pollutants go straight out the tailpipe, and your car's computer will know. Other potential issues include a faulty EGR valve, which helps reduce nitrogen oxide emissions, or problems with the evaporative system that we mentioned with the loose gas cap. The focus here is squarely on components that ensure your car runs clean. So, what's the bottom line? How do you tell the difference if you only have one light? The only sure way is to get the codes read. When a warning light comes on, your car's computer stores a specific diagnostic trouble code, or DTC. You can buy an affordable OBD2 scanner online or stop by most auto parts stores, and they'll often read the codes for you for free. A code, like P0420, for example, points to catalyst system efficiency below threshold, a clear emissions issue. A code like P0301 indicates a misfire in cylinder 1, which is an engine performance issue that also happens to affect emissions. The code gives you the specific clue you need to start your diagnosis. Whether it's the general check engine light or a specific emissions warning, don't ignore it. It's not just about passing an inspection. It's about your car's health, your fuel economy, and keeping our air clean. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this clears up the confusion between these two important warnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. Drive safe, and see you in the next one.